Alright. Kag this time, i-upload mo naman sa YouTube very soon ang subong natin nga feature story. Sadya-sadyaan na itutukan ta ang mga Ilonggo nang sinadya pinagi sa pag-gimmick with the country's best DJ. Let's watch this.
Party people, are you ready for the #1 DJ in the Philippines? Ladies and gentlemen, DJ Ace Ramos!
Every day I'm shuffling, 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 every day I'm shuffling.
Basta gani party ang pag-aistoryahan, hindi gid magpaulhi ang mga Ilonggo. Gani amo na lang ang pagkalangkag sang Ilonggo party people sa nag-abot sa syudad ang ginakilala nga Philippines best DJ kag king of mashup nga si DJ Ace Ramos.
Mashup is like two songs mashed in together to create another vibe or another song. Basically, it's not me. Siguro, I'm one of the stars of mashup in the country. But basically, it's our group. It's called Styles Entertainment. We're tied up with Scam Artists. Scam Artists is like a group in the States. Group of DJs in the States, and we tied up with them. And we call the group Styles Entertainment. And basically, it's the sound of Las Vegas right now.
Kag sa mga Ilonggo nga nagahando man, mangin DJ.
You gotta concentrate on your craft, what's really your craft, what's really your music. And first you have to have a passion on it. Without the passion, it's like riding like it's like parang nakikiride lang na I wanna be DJ because I wanna be cool, I wanna get laid, stuff like that. But
Pag sinadya nga pang international ang kalibre, ini naman ang ato na labayan sa pag Larga Ta!